Hello friends, I'm Nikita Verma and today I will talk about today's topic, define life by yourself. What is life? We are alive. This is life. We are existing in this world. This is life. We are breathing. This is life. A dog is barking. He is alive. He is alive. A bird is chirping. He is alive. He has life. Even these plants also have life. Life is living fully, living happily, living joyfully. Life is an art of living. Life is too short. Yes, life is too short and too precious. We cannot get so many lives. We have only one life. Life is being aware of our existence, of our present, and whatever is wrong and negative in our life, we should stop participating in those things. We should eliminate those negative things from our life. People, when feel depressed or they feel sad, they say, I want to end my life. I have so many problems and I can't solve those problems, and I want to end my life. I have so many issues that other people doesn't have those kind of issues. No, we all have so many problems. There are so many solutions for so many problems. Every problem can be solved. We should talk about our mental health issues. We should not hide that. If we are feeling depressed, if we feel that something is wrong, we should discuss it. We should talk about it. Like if we feel that we have fever, we have cold, we go to doctor. Just like that. We should discuss it with our friends, with our family, with the doctor, or we can talk with any trustworthy person. We can talk about it. We should talk about it. We should not end our life. Life is too precious. There are so many solutions for every problem. I also have solved problems. You also have problems. But that is not end of life. Anybody can solve it. We just need to know how to respond to them. We feel that I don't have solution of any problem. So it can be possible to whom we are discussing those problems, he or she has the solution of that problem. Because any problem, any situation can be solved. And we should help our friends or anybody who is coming for help. We should help them to cope up from those mental issues, to cope up from those depressions. This is really very necessary. We need to talk about these things. We should not hide those things. We should not think that people will think this, people will think that. No, that is normal. In today's world, every fourth person has a depression. Depression is feeling too much sad. But this life is too precious and this is only one life. We cannot get so many lives. Just live it happily. If you have problem, talk about it. Do not think that ending life is the solution of the problem. No, just talk about it. Life is so beautiful. Just you need to live that. You need to solve those problems, and you can solve any problem. So just please give me your feedback. I would love to hear from you, and thank you so much for listening.